Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Iron Man. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve across for the top. Then from both ends, let's bring it down. Angle it in towards the center. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details to the mask. Let's start with a line across. And then angle it slightly up on both sides. Now underneath for the eyes, let's draw 2 lines down on the left and on the right. And then a line across underneath. Now top to the sides and let's draw an angle up on top. And then curve it up towards the center. Now from both ends, let's angle it down and in. And then a line across. Now to draw the bottom part, let's start by drawing 2 angles down and out. And then angle it back in. Now let's draw another angle down. And then bring it in and up. And then a line across. Now we're going to hop inside this bottom section and we're going to draw a line in and up on both sides. And then a line across at the top. Lastly, for the head, let's hop to the sides and let's draw 2 angles out on the left and on the right, and then close it off with a line down. And that's it for the head. Now top down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw an angle down and out on both sides. Then let's angle it down underneath. Another set of small lines in. Bring it back up on both sides. And a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's add some details. Let's start with the circle. And another circle inside this one. Now from both sides, let's draw a small angle down and out. And then from the end, let's angle it both up and down. And then next to this, let's add 2 more bent lines on both sides like this. Now let's hop into the top section. Let's add another bent line here. Then underneath the head, let's bring it down and in. And then angle it down to the center. And then add 1 more small angle on both sides. Now let's hop underneath, and to continue drawing the torso, let's draw another set of angles down. And then from the bottom, let's angle it back up and in. And a line across. Now inside, let's draw a set of angles on both sides. And then inside this middle section, let's draw 2 angles down from the top and a line across. And then let's do one more underneath. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a curve out for the shoulders. And then curve it back in underneath. Now inside the shoulders, let's draw a curve down and bring it out. Now underneath for the arms, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then inside, a curve down and back up. Now at the ends here, let's add the hands. At the end of each arm, let's draw a curve down. Then let's angle it out from the top, and then a longer one underneath. Now at the top, for the thumbs, let's draw a curve out and up, and then curve it up and back down. And then let's draw 4 fingers to close off each hand. Then let's add 2 curves inside each of the fingers. And lastly, on the palms, let's draw a circle. And then another one inside. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the torso on both sides and let's draw an angle in. Then angle it down again. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve across in the center. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's bring it down. Then let's angle it down and up. And bring it back into the center. Now let's hop inside the middle section and let's draw a line across and angle it down on both sides. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw an angle down for the sides of the legs. Now for the knees, we're going to draw a hexagon shape on both sides like this. And then 2 angles inside. Now continue the leg underneath with another angle down. Now let's hop in, and for the other side of the legs, let's draw a curve down that's longer. Now for the feet, let's angle it out and then down. Now let's hop into the inside and let's draw an angle out and a V-shaped point up. And then a curve across to close off each foot. Now let's hop inside and let's draw some details. Let's draw a curve across inside at the bottom. Then inside each foot, let's draw an angle down and bring it down again. Now on top of this line, let's bring it up and out. Now let's hop up next to the knees and let's draw 2 angles out on the sides here. And then one more bent line on top. And that's it for Iron Man. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!